Hey everybody, Tom here from Army Roofing. How's everybody doing? So this is what we did yesterday. If you guys remember, we had a very serious condensation problem. None of the pipes were hooked up. They were just laying in the attic. So what I mean by that is the bathroom pipe exhaust fan, the kitchen exhaust fan, and they even had the dryer exhaust fan from the laundry exhausting out one of the roof vents. So we installed the right 4, 5, 6 bathroom vents. We added a couple lower vents because they have no soffit venting in this house. So that's a cheap, fast, easy way to correct that. You can see there. We put a new boot on the heating pipe, so a new V-vent. And this is the front. You can see it was pretty wet. We let it dry out. We threw sawdust on it. We replaced the bottom boards. They left the bottom shiplap boards on rather than putting plywood in it. So we removed the boards and we put plywood in, done it properly. We put ice and water shield in the valley there because it's a very steep dormer coming onto a lower slope pitch. And now we're going to start papering it with synthetic underlay. So we had to correct a lot of problems on this house, but everything is going great. The homeowner is very happy. This roof here is in Burnaby, British Columbia. But if you're in the Lower Mainland area, Delta BC, give us a call at 778-686-7663. We'd be happy to come out and give you a free quote on your roof. Or you can visit us at armyroofing.com. Probably see it there on the truck. Fill out a submission form and we will contact you for a free quote. And we'd be happy to pop by and inspect your roof, give you a free quote, and see what there is we can do to help. So, see, it's gonna go pretty good. But anyway, you guys, look for tomorrow's video when we're finishing up the roof. Bye for now.